processing. It is a technique by which fixed tissues are made suitable for embedding within a supportive medium such as paraffin. Also, it consists of 3 sequential steps: dehydration, clearing, and infiltration. Dehydration is the process where the water is removed from the tissue. First step is to submerge the tissue in 80% ethanol for 15 minutes. Second, from 80% ethanol, transfer it to 95% ethanol and submerge for 15 minutes. Third, transfer it to another 95% ethanol and submerge it for 25 minutes. Fourth, from 95% ethanol, transfer it to 100% ethanol and submerge for 30 minutes. Fifth, and the last step for dehydration, transfer it to another 100% ethanol and submerge for 30 minutes. Second step for tissue processing is clearing, which is a process of replacing dehydrant with a substance which is miscible with embedding medium or paraffin wax. To do this, from 100% ethanol, transfer the tissue to the clearing agent xylene and submerge for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, transfer it to another xylene and submerge for another 15 minutes. And the last step for clearing, transfer it to another xylene solution and submerge for 30 minutes. Infiltration. This is done when the final xylene is replaced with molten wax, which infiltrates the tissue. First step in infiltration, from the clearing agent, transfer the tissue to the molten wax and put it on the oven for 45 minutes. In between procedure, always make sure to stir the molten wax. Second, transfer the tissue to another batch of molten wax and put it on the oven for 45 minutes. And lastly, from the batch 2 of molten wax, transfer it to the last batch of molten wax and put it on the oven for another 60 minutes. Always remember to stir the molten wax in between procedures. After infiltration, now the tissue is ready for embedding.